Let's look at VOXCAR's service schedules and to-do items. Now that we have our first vehicle set up, we've gone through the 3 steps, we've added an image, we've created a caricature. Let's look at the vehicle service schedule. At first glance, service intervals can be overwhelming, but it is simple to identify services that may need to be done right away. Click Add To Do, and that will show up on your to-do list. Keep in mind that as you upload service records using your phone, service intervals may be updated as completed, and then the next recommended service date would be moved into the future as appropriate. So the Ford Raptor needs an oil change and a filter change. Let's put that on the to-do list. Click Add To Do. Once selected, you'll see that the button changes to View To Do. Click it, and let's take a look. Here we are. Here is the engine oil and filter change to-do item. You'll also notice on this screen, you look just to the right of the tasks button. To the right is checklists. We'll dive into that more later in this session.